Good day, I am Rick Johnson C. Onyate. I am an intern from CSBC or Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges under the Department of College of Computer Studies. I am undergoing my on-the-job training at the Direct Business Technology Incorporated, where I am hired as a cloud-based solution or CBS implementation intern. Direct Technology Incorporated, established in 2011, started with a team of 8 people, including the founders and the company president, Mr. Tennyson Mo, who has led the company from its inception to the present day. The founders, bounded by their shared experience and hardships in a previous company, were motivated by a vision to perform better and surpass the achievements of their former workplace. Despite initial challenges such as delayed salaries, insufficient funds, and operating from a small residential office, their dedication laid a strong foundation for the company. By 2015, Direct Business Technology had successfully appointed leaders who embodied the company's values of drive, motivation, integrity, leading to continuous growth. Direct Business Technology differentiates itself by valuing customers, responding promptly, and resolving client issues effectively. This approach has earned the company a strong reputation and trust among clients, supported by a team of 100% certified consultants and reliable customer support. Mr. Tennyson Mo emphasizes the success is a result of the collective effort, long hours, and dedication of the team. Direct Business Technologies Incorporated is not just a company of skilled professionals, but individuals committed to serving and supporting their clients' needs. The accomplishments of the Direct during my time in the Cloud-Based Solution or CBS Implementation Department, I have significantly improved my skill in automation and API integration, specifically working with a system like Zendesk, LarkSuite, and Direct's own LinkBank system. By learning through my OJT experience, I have gained diverse knowledge not only in my IT field but also in professional conduct. I have learned the importance of dedication, attention to detail, and effective communication in professional setting. In my conclusion, my experience at Direct Business Technology Incorporated has been highly challenging yet rewarding. The company provides substantial tasks to interns, which I initially thought would be easy, but I was proven wrong. The hands-on and active monitoring by the supervisor ensured that we, as interns, genuinely acquired valuable learnings and skills. This approach has greatly contributed to professional and personal growth. So, for more detailed on what are the settings I have in my office and Direct Technology under the Department of Cloud-Based Solution Implementation or CBS, these are my photos with my schoolmates as interns of the Direct.